Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Julia. What did you catch, my love?
I catch the fish.
Look at that. What did you catch? What
Really
fish?
heavy.
Hmm? What is that fish? Try to show.
Let me try to show. The fishy.
Wow, look
Okay,
at
it's a
that.
carp fish.
Carp.
Right here.
Good job, Julia.
Good job. Carp fish. See it?
Hello, Mr. Carp. How are you?
Wee.
How's it going?
Wee. Hey. Let's show it to Mama, okay?
Okay.
Can I hold it more? Let's let him go a little.
I think he's tired now.
Go, fishing!
Good job, Julia.
You want some air, I think.
Okay.
Go fishing, go!
Let's release him, okay?
What?
Let's release him, okay?
Release him? Okay.
I will take the hook from
Stuck
its
with the
mouth.
hook. Yeah!
Wow, he's strong.
Yeah, he's strong.
Okay.
Let's
Stop, Julia, Jim. Say
Stop.
bye.
That's